Hello Odooers, I hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we are going to learn about AI which is launched in Odoo 19. So we will see how we can use the AI to fill the content automatically or based on other field or other data. So let's say we will see in the product description something as it is usual. We are using, let's say, so this is product page here. So as this is AI already installed, so we will add a new field using studio. Let's say here we will add this multi-line field here, and we will give name is product description something. And here we can see this AI, we will tick this. And now we need to add a prompt. Sorry. So here, let's say based on some data we will fill this description. Let's say based on the product name, so let's say generate a product description from product name. So this is the prompt we given to AI. So AI will basically generate a description based on this product name. So it will basically describe this product name and write description. But here this name we written product name, it is static, right? But we need to give command like for each product we need to send specific name to AI. So how we will add here dynamic product name? So for that, let's say here we will find the field using this slash and click here field selector. Let's say field selector and name, you can see this name, and I will click on insert and save. Right, now I will close this. And here you can see this, as I am on Odoo runbot demo database, I haven't configured this API. But in short, when you click here on this AI button, and it will automatically fill the description. I just need to set here ChatGPT. Let's say here you can paste your ChatGPT specific API key from, you can generate from your ChatGPT API console and add here and save, and then it will work in your specific prompt. Right. I hope this video will help to you.